going on, everybody? First of our two doubleheader 6 o'clock box break. Got some good ones for you tonight. We got 2016 playoff, 2016 Phoenix, and 2016 Prestige. And we're going to be giving away a box of Infinity, a box of, or 2016 Infinity, a box of 2015 High Tech, and a box of 2015 Crown Royal. So it's going to be a good one this evening. Let's go ahead and get this off of here. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get right to box one. We're going to do Prestige first. Go ahead and get to our randomizer here. Prestige. See who's here tonight. Chase, Matt, Bill, and Pam, Dustin, Oakley, Parker, Doug H., Jeremy, PJ, Robert J., Fred H., Gary, Jeff K., the Louder family has decided just to go as the Louders now. I think one of them got tired of seeing the other one get all the hits. Wyatt, Barry, Victor, Todd, Jimmy P., Levi, making his first one here, welcome, and Jeff G. So we're going to go ahead and randomize this 3 times. And after the 3 times, we'll have our teams for the first box. After 1, we got Jeff K on top, Robert J on the bottom. After 2, Fred H on top, Todd H on the bottom. And after 3, we got PJ on the top, Chase on the bottom. For those of you, for Levi, for your first time here, you'll see how this goes. Okay, let's put our people in. First break. Go ahead and there you go. There's our first teams for Prestige. I'm going to go ahead and get cracking here. Got 4 giant packs, 4 hits, 1 veteran, and 3 rookie autos per box on average. Got packs. All right, I'll go ahead and get started here with pack 1. A lot of folks here in the shop tonight. All right. Let's see, let me get them all turned around here. Okay. Let's put him in the back. Okay. Here we go. All right. Hold on to these first few here. Had a Joe Namath pulled in the shop just a little bit ago out of Absolute by Jeff G. That was a nice card. Do something to secure this bottom of this thing so it doesn't shake too much here. Ferguson. Put this. There we go. Hogan, Curse, Leonard Floyd, Manuel Agba. Got a Devontae Booker, Duke Johnson, Joey Bosa draft picks. Here's a Drew Brees acetate. Nice card. Josh Ferguson, that one is not numbered. And we have an Adolphus Washington rookie auto for the Bills going out to Jeremy W. Got in on this break. This one is not numbered. Going to Jeremy W. The Bills. Nice hit, Jeremy. Okay. Pack number 2. This thing up here. Turn all these the right way. These turned. Jeez. Okay. There we go. Okay. Make this thing to focus. There we go. Brandon Marshall. Peyton, DeAndre Robinson, Marcus Robinson. The Richard Sherman, NFL Shield Acetate, Ben Roethlisberger Super Bowl Heroes, Carson. Oops. Dropping the cards here. Sorry about that. Braxton Miller. This is a Devin Funches, numbered 100 of 100 for the Panthers. That one's going out to Levi. His first numbered card there. And going out to the Vikings, Chase, my man, is getting a Laquan Treadwell rookie auto. That one is not numbered. Going to Chase. Nice hit, Chase. Okay. Halfway done with this box. Got 2 rookie autos so far. Waiting on the back 3 here. Waiting on that vet. That vet auto. Put it back there. Let me see here. Let me get these all turned the right way. Okay. I'm almost there. I'm gonna turn these around once. Just back. And I'll put them right there. That way the hit's at the back. The new stuff should be coming out here in the next couple of weeks, I believe. All the new rookies will have their uniforms on. There'll be a whole new round of super collecting going on. Everybody's going to be after their guy. I'm solid. Hey, Gary.
Yes, sir.
Come here and look at this. It's kind of, since we got the counter in here.
That looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Gary's chilling back
I
here
am
now.
checking it out.
I'm going to do a sting for the auction
After this?
after this box.
Glad everybody's watching tonight. Hoping to see you guys tomorrow night. Corey and I are going to spend the evening with you.
Joey
Have a
Bosa
good night. Corey, pull something good.
All-American Acetate. Hunter Henry draft picks. Here's a Sam Bradford extra points, numbered to 10 actually for the Eagles. Jeff K, perfect recipient for that one. Eagles, numbered 1 to 10. And we have our third hit of the box, Xavier Howard for the Dolphins, going out to Fred H. That one's numbered 86 of 100. For the Dolphins, Fred H. Nice hit. All right, should be getting our vet auto out of this one. Be interesting to see who we get. All right, turn these ones around. Got a new counter set up back here, so things look a little different. Less glare from the light on our cards now, so that's kind of an added bonus. Zeke rookie. Charles Woodson inside the numbers. Drew Brees Super Bowl heroes. Derrick Henry. Bettis banner season. Dak Prescott. There's a Carlos Hyde extra points not numbered. And our last hit of the box for the Ravens, we've got Crockett Gilmore going out to Bill A. This one is numbered 33 of 100, Bill. Nice hit. Not the Bill. Awesome. Well, that is it for our Prestige box. Don't forget to join us tomorrow night on our auction page for our Super Sunday number 4 auction. We're going to be auctioning about 66 items, and it's sponsored by our friends at CY Lawn Service in Grand Island, Nebraska, and right here in the Conestoga Mall, the concession stand just south of our shop. So be sure and thank those guys for sponsoring tomorrow night's auction. It should be a really good one. So if you watched the last one, it's better than that, and that's saying a lot. So, all right. Box 2, playoff. We are going to get rolling on that. Let's get over to random.org. You can go ahead and take this, hit it 3 times again. After 1, Chase on top, Victor on the bottom. After 2, Jeff K on top, Jeff K on the bottom. And after 3, Parker T on the top, Parker T on the bottom. All right, playoff. People. There we go. set for playoff. Looking for 1 auto and 1 memorabilia per box on average. Got 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 packs, 8 cards per pack. Got all our packs here. Go ahead and get rolling on the first one. Hey, that's not a bad one to start. All right, already got our first hit of the box. Jay Green, Eric Berry, and our first hit going to Chase. Todd Gurley, number to 99. Player worn material. Nice. Number 36 and 99 going out to Chase. Nice. Chase got one in the last box. Picking up right where he left off. Alright. Open this second pack. We got our memorabilia card. This way. Upside down. Everybody's upside down. Philip Rivers, Air Command. Ingram, Boss Hog. Paxton Lynch, rookie. And we got a Jordan Matthews, number to 10. Going to Mr. Raker. It's fate that you got the Eagles, buddy. Number to 10, Jordan Matthews. I know somebody that you know that will like that. Nice. Gronk. Okay. Chris Carter. Melvin Gordon. Harrison Smith. You got a Jerry Rice, Andre Reed class reunion. Eddie Lacy. Farrell Cooper. Well, at least I didn't get the hits in the first 2 packs this time. Tyreek Hill. He was a monster last year. Oh boy. Got a redemption here. Alrighty. Ray Lewis. All right. Here's our redemption. We'll do the little slow roll. Rookie signatures kickoff. DeForest Buckner, and he is a 49er, and that is going out to Parker T. Good hit, Parker. Nice redemption. Danny Woodhead. Jameis Winston. Marshall. Here's a John Elway number to 199. Going to Victor B. Yeah, that's cool. Blake Martinez. All right. Got the last 5 packs to go here. Got a numbered one here. Mr. Jeff K. Haven't pulled you a hit yet, Jeff, but a couple of numbers. And here's your second one. We got Le'Veon Bell, Boss Hogs, numbered to 25. Number 3 of 25. Nice. Got the little red variation there. Going out to Jeff K. Cool. We got a number to 10, number to 25. Not bad. Little redemption for my dry spell of hits for you, Jeff. CJ Anderson. Daniel Lasco. All right. 3 packs to go. Kaepernick. Nice Manning and Hines Ward rookie class. TJ Yeldon and Jacoby Brissett. 2 to go. Next up is our Phoenix box. Richard Sherman, Thunder, Earl Thomas Lightning, Gurley, and Laramie Tunsil. Last pack. Yes. Hey, Maluka, Carson Palmer, Lacey, the new Seattle Seahawk. Shaq Lawson, numbered to 99. Going out to Robert J. We got an Andrew Luck, Thunder, T.Y. Hilton, Lightning. And we got an upside down Blake Bortles, but then again, that kind of sums up the Jags last year. and Artie Burns. And that is it for the box of playoff. We said earlier, be sure to check us out tomorrow. Our auction sponsored by CY Lawn Service and the concession stand. It's going to be a happening event. It was last week or 2 weeks ago, and it's going to be a fun time. So tune in at 6 p.m. and on our Facebook auction page. If you're not on there, message Gary or myself. We'll get you set up. All right, let's go to our random. Go ahead and hit this 3 times, and we'll be doing our Phoenix box before we do our giveaways. 3 more times after 1. Chase on the top, Jeff K on the bottom. After 2, Jeff K on top, Jeremy on the bottom. After 3, Wyatt on the top, Chase on the bottom. Okay, and all right, there you go. Last teams, last box. Phoenix. Looking for 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card per box on average. So we're looking for 3 hits out of this one. I've seen some pretty good stuff pulled out of here so far. So let's see if I can continue that one. Got my packs. Empty box. Got a new position of the camera this week, so takes a little getting used to. Here's a Tony Romo streaking success, numbered to 299. The Cowboys. Jeff K. Jeff, you're getting all these numbers tonight. That's awesome. Better than what I was getting you last time, I guess. Which was a goose egg. Alright. Got a hit and a numbered here. Justin Forsett, Carlos Hyde. We got a Jeremy Hill. This one's numbered to 10. Going to Matt C. Number 10 of 10. Matt C gets that one. And our first hit of the box, Wendell Smallwood. Nice little jumbo patch there. This one's numbered to 79. You can see that? There you go. And this one's going out to Parker. Nice. Man, we get a lot of short prints. 2 numbered to 10s and a 25 already. Nice. Maybe that's a good omen. Forte. LaDainian Tomlinson streaking success. Nice card. Shaq Lawson rookie. And a Dan Hampton. Shake the whole thing. Ooh. Got a redemption. Double check here. Yeah, I figured that one. All right. And, okay, here's the redemption. We're going to slow roll it like last time. Panini Phoenix. Rookie, RPS, rookie jumbo auto swatch. for Cody Kessler, and he is a brown, and this one belongs to Mr. Raker. Nice, Dustin. Cool redemption there, buddy. Awesome. All right. You got the redemption and a relic card or memorabilia so far, so I think we should have one more auto, hopefully. Here's a Darrelle Revis, numbered to 399, going to PJ. The Rob Gronkowski resurgence. Michael Irvin. Another number. We got a David Amerson, numbered to 299 for the Raiders. That's going out to Jeff G. Jeffs are getting all the numbers tonight. Here's a Barry Sanders Adrenaline Rush, numbered to 349, going out to Todd. It's a nice card. When I was a teenager, Barry Sanders was the running back. Always been one of my favorites. Okay, let's get in here. Derek Carr. Just Sterling Shepard, rookie rising. Dustin. Cyrus Jones and Jerome Bettis. 3 packs to go. And then we're going to be giving away some boxes. We're going to be giving away 3 boxes of stuff. Oh my. Oh boy, that's a nice one. This is going to be the second like one of these that I pulled. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Well, we're going to have us a little, looks like we're going to be randomizing a card again. This is a nice one. All right, here we go. We'll go ahead and just bring her on up. We got a Cardale Jones, Michael Thomas, and Joey Bosa rookie patch autos. This one is numbered to 20. Wow. So we've got the Saints, the Chargers, and the Bills. So it's going to be between Parker, Chase, and Gary M for this card. So we're going to go ahead and do that one after this box. Go ahead and gaze one more time at that. That's just awesome. Numbered 5 of 20. Awesome. Okay, well, let me open these last 2 packs and we'll be randomizing that card. Another numbered. Romo. Eddie Lacy. And we got a Laquan Treadwell rookie rising, numbered to 99. Going to Chase. Okay, last pack, and then we're going to randomize that sick card that we just got. Somebody's going to get a nice triple rookie patch auto number to 20. Okay. Well, before we randomize the boxes, we're going to randomize this card. Go ahead and get a good view of it there. So we will go ahead and we're going to go ahead and go over to random.org, and this is this was the Saints. The Saints. Hold on. There we go. We got the Saints, the Bills, and the Chargers. So the Bills is Parker T. Chargers is Chase, and the Saints is Gary. Oop. Gary M. Okay. So we'll just go ahead and hit this 3 times, and whichever one is on the top will get that sick card. So after 1, Chase on the top. After 2, Chase is on the top again. And after 3, the winner of the sick card is Gary M. So awesome. Nice card. Just one more look at it there before we put her away. Awesome. That's a nice way to end the last box. Okay, so first giveaway of the night is going to be for a box of 2016 Infinity. We're going to take our existing list here, and we're going to hit it 3 more times. Whoever is at the top wins the box of Infinity. So after 1, Robert J on the top. After 2, Oakley's on the top. And after 3, Robert J takes the box of Infinity. I am going to go ahead and mark him on that box right now so that we can get on to the next one. So congrats, Robert J. You got yourself a box of 2016 Infinity. Up next, 2015 High Tech Football. And let's return to our list. Go 3 times. Who's ever at the top wins. It could be Robert J again. So after 1, Parker T. After 2, Dustin R. And after 3, Gary M wins the box of High Tech. It wasn't enough. He got that card. Now he has to win the box of High Tech too. So Gary M, congratulations. And our final box we're giving out tonight is the 2015 NFL Crown Royal. This is the 1 auto 1 memorabilia card box. And we're going to go ahead and hit this 3 more times. And whoever's on the top wins the box. And that'll be it for this break. After 1, Jeff K. After 2, Jimmy P. And after 3, Jeff G wins the box of Crown Royal 2015. Jeff G. We'll go ahead and get that back here like that. Jeff G wins the Crown Royal. And that's it for our 6 o'clock break. Meet me back here in about 45 minutes or so, and we'll be on our second part of the doubleheader. And thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you later.